What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add products from Spocket to your Shopify store, and first of all, or before that, installing or linking Spocket to your Shopify store. So here I've set up a dummy store on Shopify. The process is pretty easy. Just go to shopify.com, create a free account for your trial, and once you've created your account, just simply search for Spocket, or you can go here to add apps and then go into your Shopify app store right here. And then in the search here, search for Spocket, hit enter. And here it is, the Spocket US and Europe dropshipping. So click on it. Here you have they have a free plan available as well as a free trial for the paid plans, which is pretty cool. And here they allow you to add a dropshipping products to your Shopify store. So basically dropshipping is where you get or list a product on your Shopify store or on your online store. However, you don't have to have the product physically. However, you get it from a dropshipping supplier such as CG Dropshipping, or in this case, Spocket. And once you get an order, the supplier will handle the shipping and delivery and everything, and you get the price difference as a profit. So here you can go ahead and read more about the platform as well as the plans. But for now, let's install it. Click on install right here. And on this screen, install once again. And now you will be signed in. Now, which category do you sell? Let's skip these questions for now. Which region are you planning to sell? Let's say global. And here you can get a free plan here, or a free trial for a plan or a pro plan, such as the Starter Pro, Empire, and Unicorn. Let's try the Starter for free for this video. We need to add our credit card details. So I'll not add it right now. However, okay, let's go back. And then here, let's go back again. Continue. Okay, seems like you need to be applied to a plan. So that's basically it. However, if you choose to apply to a plan and pay for a plan, you just browse products in the Spocket app here from within Shopify. And once you do, you can list the products to sell on your Shopify store. And once you do select a plan, as I told you, and you list your Shopify store, you can get orders right to it. And once you do, you can go ahead and rely on Spocket for delivery, management of the shipment, fulfillment, and everything.